Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate this design inspired by Kai's all Gucci airport fashion from earlier this month. Start off by painting two of your nails light yellow. For the Argyle pattern, start off by using a dark bluish green to make a square just above the center of your nail. Add 3 more squares around it to make a larger square. The lines that I'm making inside of the squares will be covered up later, so they're not super important. I just use them to help with sizing. Add another set of squares on the left and the right sides of the first set. Fill in all of the squares. Use a dark brown to make more squares above the first line. I made the squares a bit larger in the video than in the original design by mistake, so I couldn't fit as many on the nail, but it's okay to just work with whatever space you have. Use a beige polish for the last line of squares at the bottom. Use brown, green, and beige polish to make the stitching between the squares. Seal in your design with a top coat. For the next nail, all you'll need to start off with is a base coat. Once the base coat is dry, outline the nail in gold. Thicken the right side of the gold frame. Alternate between black and beige polishes to add bands to the right side of the outline. I like the way the base coat that I have dried matte, so I didn't top coat this nail in my original design, but if you want to make the design last longer, then seal it in with a top coat. For the last part of the design, paint 2 of your nails a shimmery denim color. Next, we'll be using a dry brush technique with a cream denim polish. Try to get as much polish as you can off of the brush, and then brush it vertically and horizontally over the nail. Next, use a light gray-blue polish to add messy horizontal and vertical lines to the nail. You don't want to have too much polish on the brush or else your lines will be too solid. Try to concentrate more of your lines in the center of the nail to make it look like it's worn down. Finally, add more lines with a sheer white polish. You can be a bit more liberal with this polish, but really try to concentrate it in the center. Once you're happy with how the denim looks, you can add the Gucci stripe. Make a white rectangle at the tip of your nail and then paint over it with red. Add 2 dark green stripes on either side. Each stripe should be about half the width of the red stripe. I just top coated the Gucci stripe to keep the texture of the denim, and once you're finished that, then you're done. All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!